is Joshua from J Technology Solutions, and I'm going to be showing you a demo of our JT Point of Sales software that helps you manage your business. If you are into services oriented business, then this is the right software to help manage your business. If you have a laundry, gas station, a filling station, you have a salon, you are a tailor, restaurant owner, a computer business center, etc., then this is the right software to help manage your business. Next, we are going to be generating reports. So on the reports tab on the navbar, you have sales, jobs, statement, customer. So let's look at sales report. So you can generate sales report, expense report, and profit report by using customized date. So we're going to be looking at the sales for today, the expenses for today, and the profit for today. So I'll select this, select sales, come to date today. Date is going to be today, 17th, and 17th. If I hit on search, you can see that the sales for today is up. We made 3 sales today. If you followed this video, you discover that we made 3 sales. Walking customer, John Dow. Walking customer, we made 1 sales for walking customer. We have 1 sales for walking customers. Then we have 2 of John Dow sales, and the total of this sales is 30,400. Then total amount of 26,400 was paid aside the deposit that was made, where we are owing a customer a balance of 3,000. Then we can print expenses. We can say, let's look at our expenses from on the 1st till on the 17th, which is today. We hit it, it's going to fetch out all the expenses. So you can see all the expenses that has been made from the customized date expenses report from on the 1st to on the 17th. You have BDC, pay to BDC, electricity 5,000, transfer, and it was done by this food seller, NEPA, etc. So you can also print your profit. You can print and see your profit from customable date. Also, you can customize it. You can say from on the 1st to on the 17th, and you hit on search. It's going to bring out all the profit for that date. As you can see, you made a total sales of 30,400 and an expenses of 16,000. So you have a profit from the search date from on the 1st to today. We have a profit of 14,400. So that is what you can do under sales report. Then if you come to jobs, from here we can see jobs. We can select delivered or pending jobs. We can say we want to see all the delivered job from on the 1st till on the 17th, and we can search, and it's going to show us. So these are the delivered jobs that we have delivered from on the 1st to on the 17th, and you can see that we delivered 1 to walk-in customer and the other of John Dow. You can check pending jobs. So we can come on pending jobs from, let's say, today to today's date. It's going to pop out a pending job. So we only have 1 job pending that is yet to be delivered. So you can view all those reports. That is what you can do on jobs. So we're going to be looking at statement of account, the next tab. So on this statement of account, you can see all the statement of account. That is money that has been deposited from a specific date to current date. So let's do all. If you select, you have all, or you can search via account number. So I'm going to be using all. All I have to do is to enter a custom date, let's say from on the 1st to today 17th, and I'm going to search. And here we go. So these are all the deposits that has been made. A deposit of 2,000, 5,000, and 4,000, which total to 11,000. And when these were made, there was an owed balance of outstanding debt of 2,000. As at this time, there was no debt here. Then you can search via account number. So I'm going to be using JT2 to search from, let's just say, today to today. I'll use search, and you can see the account statement for this customer. To print a standard account statement, we're going to come on statements, customer, then you input in the account number you want to print statement of account for, and you select the range, let's say today, and search customer's account. A professional report is going to come up. This you can print for a customer in case there are irregularities in terms of money being deposited. So from here you can see all the deposits a customer has made from a date, a past date to current date. So that is all for reports.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Do well to like our page on Facebook and share this video. If you're watching on YouTube, then do well to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell in order for you to get a notification when we upload new videos. Thank you very much.